arms open wide. Heavy rains falling, washed away the tide. Whispering winds, the thunder did cry. Betka River swollen, reached up to the sky. Mountains did tremble, rocks slid from their key. Waters so wild, awakened from their sleep. Sandy beaches stretched as waves crashed in stride. Nature's grand symphony in early June's tide. Oh, Betka River, breaking through the chain, dancing to the ocean where sapphire waters rain. Mingling with the sea, where white waves crash and sing. A bond unbroken, the heart of winter's spring. Teatrees stood tall in coastal scrubs embraced. Tannin-stained river found the ocean's face. Windy whispers told of nature's sweet grace, marking the passage of the river's trace. Nature's mighty beauty in the storm's refrain could hear the river's laughter amidst the falling rain. The sun peeked through after the storm's game. A world reborn, no longer the same. Oh, Betka River, breaking through the chain, dancing to the ocean where sapphire waters rain. Mingling with the sea, where white waves crash and sing. A bond unbroken in the heart of winter's spring. To the teal blue sea, Betka's wild embrace sets the spirit free. Nature's dance continues in this winter scene, a timeless story in shades of green. Oh, Betka River, breaking through the chain, dancing to the ocean where sapphire waters rain. Mingling with the sea, crash and sing. A bond unbroken in the heart of winter's spring. From the sandy shores to the teal blue sea, Betka's warm embrace sets the spirit free. Nature's dance continues in this winter scene, a timeless story in shades of green. From the story in shades of green.